The aluminum barrel holds the caulk in your sausage-style caulk gun. It is attached to the caulk gun on one side, and the nozzle attaches to the other. The aluminum barrel can be damaged if the gun is dropped, or if something falls on it. Replacing the aluminum barrel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cartridge from the caulk gun. I'll unscrew the cartridge from the mounting cap. Then pull the cartridge away from the plunger. Now I can remove the plunger from the rod. Now I can install the new aluminum barrel. I'll need to transfer the nozzle from the old barrel to the new. I'll unthread the nozzle from the barrel and thread it onto the new one. Now I can reinstall the plunger. I'll place the back of the plunger onto the rod and secure it with the screw. And I'll finish by installing the barrel back onto the gun. And that's how easy it is to install a new aluminum barrel on your caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.